Hello everyone, howdy. Welcome to Calem Enterprise Training. My name is Clay. Today we're going to cover client functions. Web client, mobile client, and offline client are the client options for Calem Enterprise. So let's look at the client options. For devices of iOS and Android phones and tablets, Calem Touch apps are the choices. For desktop users, Calem Web and Calem Touch are the choices. To use Calem Enterprise without network connections, Calem Offline is the client choice. Here's another summary of the client choices. So for desktop users, Calem Web or Calem Touch. For mobile users with a network, it's Calem Touch. For mobile users without network, it's the Calem Offline. You can install Calem Touch from App Store. This is the application name, CalemEAM, and also from Google Play. You can access Calem Touch from desktop browsers from the link Calem Touch in the Calem Web login screen. For the Calem Web hands-on lab, we like for you to install Chrome to desktop if not installed yet. And Chrome is preferred due to its performance. And you can then log into Calem Enterprise with Chrome browser. For the hands-on for Calem Touch, we like for you to install Calem Touch from App Store to iPhone or iPad, log in, and attach picture to a work order. And we also like for you to install Calem Touch from Google Play to Android phone or tablet, log in, and scan asset barcode to bring up an asset screen. For desktop, we like for you to log in with Calem Touch and using Chrome or Safari browser. This is optional for admin users. You can customize a list form for phone, customize a read form for iPads and tablets, customize an editor form for touch desktops. This is for you to experience the flexible configurations from Calem Web admin interface. You can control the user interfaces for phone, tablets, and touch desktops. Let's look at the backend setup for Calem Offline. You start with requesting Calem Offline license from CalemEAM, and you can then build the backend for Calem Offline. If you use payment collection function, you need to set up via PayPal the payment collection. And there are detailed steps in admin guide of Calem Offline for Android. The setup here is for on-premise installation, and it will be done for cloud service customers by CalemEAM. So for Calem Offline, you can install from Google Play. The app name is Calem Offline. So for the hands-on part for the setup, we like for you to deploy Calem Offline license, build Calem Offline manually, build Calem Offline from Calem Enterprise web installation, and upgrade. Install Calem Offline from Google Play, and log into Calem Offline and perform initial synchronization. And this is also a hands-on lab. You can see admin guide again for the details. You can do screen customization, do a configuration customization, then build the offline. Here's an overview of the functions for Calem Offline client. You can do the work orders assigned to you from My Assignment list or tree view. You can also do work orders assigned to your team from My Team Assignment list view or tree view. You can scan barcode and view the asset information or view work orders or create work orders. You can do the synchronization with the server. So there are detailed steps from user guide of Calem Offline for Android tablet. So here's the home page when you log into Calem Offline. You can use My Work and My Assignment. This is the tree view, this is the list view. You can use My Teamwork, My Team Assignment, tree view, and list view to do the work orders assigned to your team. Use Barcode module to scan the barcode of an asset and view the asset information, create a work order, or find work orders for this asset. Synchronize with server, view synchronization logs, launch Calem Touch, which would be the web interface, refresh this page, get client information, and you can log out. So let's look at the work order creation from the offline. So from the My Assignment list view, you can click on the Create button to create a work order and save it. And you can use %% to bring up the auto completion drop-down for a lookup field. And you can accept work order and collect a signature. Just for work order completed, the accept button, the accept menu and close menu shows. So you can click on accept and enter the user who is going to accept the work order and add comments. Then click on save to proceed. Then you can collect signature from your customer. For barcode, once the barcode is scanned, the system, if the system finds the asset, it brings up the screen and show the menu options. You can create a work order for this asset. You can find a work order for this asset or view asset. Just view the asset screen. Here are the hands-on lab tasks for the Calem Offline. You can scan asset and view work orders, view work order quote, add a picture to a work order, report hours worked for a work order, report parts used, and complete a work order, collect signature, synchronize with the server. That's all the training for Calem Enterprise clients. We'd like for you to take advantage of Calem Enterprise client options and improve the efficiency of your maintenance operations. Let us know if there are questions. Thank you.